Today this video we learn the easy day trading strategy for Forex makes use of just a few indicators and trading signals are easy to follow. There are no complicated rules. In fact, if one could spend enough time with this method, you could make consistent profits when trading this method. One of the things to note however is that losses are part of this method. Therefore, it is important that traders pay attention to aspects such as risk management. There are a total of just 3 indicators used in the easy day trading strategy for Forex. The first is the SS short-term trend indicator. This indicator behaves like a moving average. However, it tends to change color whenever there is a trend change. The SS short-term trend indicator is a custom indicator and also has some custom configuration. Not much is known about this trading indicator. Therefore, we recommend that traders leave the settings as it is. The second indicator used in the easy day trading strategy for Forex is the SS early alert arrows indicator. This indicator is responsible for plotting the up and down arrows. It signals both a change in direction, also known as the short-term corrections, as well as the change in trend. To trade with the easy day trading strategy for Forex, one simply has to follow the alerts that are plotted. This indicator is also responsible for giving pop-up alerts. While the alerts are okay if you are using the template on just one chart, it can throw up multiple alerts if you use the easy day trading strategy for Forex trading template on multiple charts. However, you can disable the alerts if you want. But on the flip side, you will have to monitor the charts to check if there is any change of the trend. Finally, we have the moving average indicator. The moving average used in the easy day trading strategy for Forex is the 5-period exponential moving average applied to closing price. This indicator is plotted with the magenta color on the price chart. The trends are confirmed with the SS short-term trend indicator crosses over the moving average indicator. An important thing to note is that the arrows repaint. Therefore, in hindsight it is easy to see that the arrows are predicting the turning points in price rather accurately. Therefore, traders need to bear this in mind when trading with the easy day trading strategy for Forex. By applying a few tricks, you can indeed avoid the repainting issue. But as we mentioned earlier, the arrows are reactive. This means that when an arrow is plotted at a high or low and then a new high or low is made, the arrows automatically adjust. This tends to lead you to possibly losing trades, which you should bear in mind. All the 3 indicators combined make up the easy day trading strategy for Forex template. Let's now take a look at how you can trade long or short positions using the easy day trading strategy for Forex. The easy day trading strategy for Forex, long positions. For long